I didn't expect this doormat to be so affordable, and it looks amazing. The vintage style is super trendy this year. Place it at your bathroom entrance, and it instantly lifts the decor. Step on it, and the water gets absorbed right away. It's non-slip, no fluff, and super safe. When it gets dirty, just rinse it clean and stick it on the wall to dry. Simple and convenient. Got an empty spot behind your door? This stylish hook rack is perfect. No glue, just twist the suction cups to lock it tight. Walnut wood look with metal matches any decor. Great for hanging coats, bags, or bathroom items. Plus, with extra adhesive pads, it holds super securely. Want a tidy bathroom? Mount these no-drill tissue boxes. Fits both tissues and rolls. Smooth pull, no jams. Comes with a drawer for small items, plus a top tray for phones or decor. Perfect next to the sink. I wish I found this 3-bar pants hanger sooner. It holds 9 pairs but takes up just a third of the space. Stylish iron design, smooth and won't snag delicate fabrics. Gives your closet a clean, vintage feel. Easy to see and grab your pants, and nothing falls off, even with a quick pull. Perfect for anyone with lots of pants. I didn't want to buy it at first, but it's just too good. This electric food chopper is so handy. Just pop in chilies, press, and it's done. Perfect for garlic, ginger, even grinding meat or making baby food. Each cup is used separately, so no mixing flavors. It's rechargeable too. Super easy to use. This cute, affordable bag holds a lot. Original cartoon design makes it pop. Widened bottom means plenty of space. Great for groceries, packages, or short trips. Fits toiletries and clothes easily. 2 straps let you carry it by hand or crossbody. Stronger than canvas, plus waterproof and easy to clean. I even take it swimming. So practical. Who else loves a tape measure that stays in place and retracts smoothly? This one's super safe. No snapbacks to hurt your fingers. It won't bend easily, even when fully extended. Sturdy and well-made, unlike those flimsy ones that break. It's 3 meters long, precise, and perfect for any home use. Affordable, safe. I saw a tie organizer in a storage vlog and had to try it. It's expandable, so it fits perfectly in any drawer. No more digging around, everything's sorted. Meds, tools, small items. The dividers are removable, so you can customize it. Great for skincare, socks, underwear. Keeps drawers neat, no matter how long you use it. I recently discovered a small version of the clear display box I bought earlier. And it's perfect for storing mini figurines. It's super affordable and fits a full doll set. The 360-degree clear design keeps dust out and your display fully visible. The magnetic door feels high quality too. You can arrange your dolls however you like. And no matter where you place it, even in low light, give it a pivot, and this balance bird stays steady no matter how you move it. Made of metal, it's also a bottle opener and looks great anywhere. Whoever invented this food cover is a genius. The fine mesh keeps food fresh and bugs out. Perfect for any plate size. Flip it over to use as a strainer for fruits or veggies. When not in use, just a stack and store. Space-saving and super handy. This is a non-electric mini faucet water purifier. Fits almost any tap. It has 6 layers of filtration to remove rust and sediment, making water much cleaner. The 360-degree swivel head makes it easy to rinse around the sink. No splashing while washing dishes, and the water flow is fast, super practical and easy to use. Let me show you how I store my underwear and socks. I use this hanging mesh organizer. It keeps everything neat, easy to grab, and no more lost socks. Just hang it on your closet door. 1 layer for bras, 1 for underwear, 1 for socks. The transparent mesh makes everything visible at a glance. Smooth zippers, super slim design. You can hang it inside the closet, on a hanger, or behind a door. After a shower, I noticed not just one, but all my towels smelled bad. Same with slippers. Bacteria builds up underneath multiple pairs. So I started using this extendable storage rack. No drilling needed, but super sturdy. It holds more than 1 pair. Just pull it out to fit 2 or more. Easy to clean and makes tidying up so much simpler. The bottom hooks are perfect for small items. Goji berries 6 grams, red dates 36 grams, flour 81 grams, yeast 4 grams. With this mini kitchen scale spoon, measuring is so easy. Perfect for baking, soups, even herbs. It's detachable and super easy to clean. So convenient! This large strainer basin is a total game changer. Before cooking, just toss all your ingredients in. Add some salt or baking soda and soak. It gets everything super clean. No need for multiple bowls like before. There's even a drain valve at the bottom, so washing and draining all happen in one place. The quality is great, and it's perfect for drying dishes too. I finally found a storage rack that's both high quality and stylish. Made with walnut wood and space aluminum, it's durable and looks premium. No drilling needed, just stick and twist to lock it in place. Perfect for storing face wash, cups, and bottles. No more messy counters or hard-to-clean corners. The hollow design prevents water buildup, making cleaning easier. Raised front guard keeps items from falling, and there's even a bar to hang towels. It's neat, practical. If you haven't tried the suction shower holder, you're missing out. Stick it anywhere you want. No drilling or glue needed. Just twist to lock. It holds your shower head securely and lets you adjust the angle freely. Perfect for hands-free rinsing, washing shoes, or even cleaning rugs. It's super convenient, easy to move, and doesn't damage the wall or leave residue. Total bathroom game changer. Every home needs a plate gripper like this. When steaming fish or eggs, hot dishes are hard to handle. This tool makes it easy and safe to lift bowls or plates. Unlike cloths that slip and feel unhygienic, this grip is firm and clean. The elastic ring keeps dishes stable, even when shaking. It also comes with a bowl lifter. Great for deeper soup bowls. Why spend hundreds on a coffee table or nightstand? This small two-tiered table costs just around $20 with free shipping. It looks great and has a lid that opens to store lots inside. Use it as a coffee table in the living room or a nightstand in the bedroom. Super practical! Ladies, switch to this electric food chopper. Compact and super easy to use, it comes with multiple bowls. Perfect for chopping ginger, garlic, chili, or even grinding meat for baby food. The lid prevents spills, and the rechargeable design is convenient. The motor and cup separate for easy cleaning, a must-have for every kitchen. I swapped out my husband's plastic chopstick holder for this iron and walnut one. It looks so much more upscale. It can sit on the countertop or be mounted on the wall. After cleaning, chopsticks and spoons drain right in it. No water buildup, thanks to the built-in drainage holes and drip tray. Unlike cheap plastic holders that trap moisture and look cheap, this one's well-made and durable. The iron frame plus walnut adds a classy touch. It even has suction cups for secure wall mounting. Clean, neat, and stylish. I have to rave about this peeler. It's a 2-in-1. One side is a silicone scrubber to wash potatoes, carrots, cucumbers quickly and cleanly. Flip it up, and it becomes a sharp, smooth peeler that won't waste any fruit or veggie. The stainless steel blade rinses easily underwater. Super convenient. Going on a trip with kids? Don't forget this foldable toothbrush. It folds down to the size of a lip balm. With a fun ice cream design, kids love carrying it around. It's hygienic and space-saving. The wide head and soft bristles clean well without hurting gums. Plus, the non-slip handle is comfy for little hands. It even stands upright after use. Visited a neighbor and noticed their stove was spotless. Turns out they use this pot lid rack. It holds lids and spatulas while cooking, catching drips so the stove stays clean. When dirty, just rinse it off. Super easy to clean. This multifunctional vanity doubles as a nightstand. Perfect for someone like me who loves convenience. It has 3 adjustable LED lights, so no more struggling with dim lighting while applying makeup. There's a hidden storage stool for comfortable seating. The drawer features smooth sliding rails for easy access. When not in use, simply fold the mirror down, saving space without sacrificing style. I bought these shoes for my mom. They're cheap, stylish, and even come with shipping insurance. At this price, it's like paying for plastic shoes, but way better. I like them so much, I got a pair for myself too. They go great with skirts or jeans and are this year's hot new style. The front is breathable mesh, so no sweaty feet. The soft heel means no rubbing, even barefoot. The insole is thick and comfy, perfect for summer. The sole is anti-slip and durable, won't break or wear out easily. Despite being soft, the sole isn't thin at all, so even if you accidentally step hard, it won't hurt your foot. These shoes feel light and comfy on your feet, not heavy or stiff. Honestly, they're a great buy, especially with shipping insurance included. Product link in description.